Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you guys can upload your image on Midjourney. Now for those people who do not know what Midjourney is an AI which helps you to create fantastic art, and it is really good. Let me show you an example of the arts it can create. As you guys can see, these are all the arts created by AI. So this is basically what Midjourney is, alright? And let me tell you how you guys can upload your own image on it, because you need to know some codes, because Midjourney entirely works based on code. So by watching this video you guys will know how you guys can upload it, because it's really simple and I will not go into all those details. I will just show you how to upload photos so you don't have to go through all the other stuffs, alright? Because you don't want to get confused between all those millions of codes. So let me show you the way. And before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. So if you guys have already installed Midjourney on your Discord, now let me be honest, Midjourney can only be used on Discord, alright? Once you have Midjourney on your Discord, you can go on where it says newbies, alright? So after you join, you can see all this channel. From all this channel, you just want to try newbies. Now you can go on this newbies, or this, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you're in the newbies channel. Once you're inside the newbies channel, where it says message over here, you want to click on it, and over here you want to write /des, and you can see describe over here. You want to write describe, but once you write /des, it's going to show you this. Click on it and it's going to give you this option. Now click on this, or what you can do is drag and drop, but I just clicked on it, so I'm just going to go into a random photo of mine. Alright, so this is a random photo I just selected and it's uploaded over here. Now what I can do is just click on enter, and this will be uploaded on Midjourney. It says sending command, but yeah, basically after some time it's going to give you the result. So that's basically how we guys can upload an image on Midjourney. It's that simple. So I've uploaded my image on Midjourney. So hope you guys understand how we guys can upload your image on Midjourney. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. So as you guys can see, my image has been uploaded over here, and it's saying me you have been invited to join the server. So yeah, that's how you guys can upload image on Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe button, and bye bye.